Hey guys, so there you go, there's my choice. I've chosen the Granite 4x4 3S and also Kraton EXB. As you can see, the box difference, a big difference in size. But these are the cars I've chosen. You may wonder why I've gone all ARMA, but I did look at the HPI. I think it was a Bullet I was looking at. The problem with the HPI car I don't think it was the Bullet, it was an MT something. But the problem I had with that car was that HPI's had a bad history recently with their cars. I mean, not necessarily recently, but over a number of years now, they lost their original company, as I say, and then bought out by someone else. So in my honest opinion, I probably would stick to another brand, because I remember how scarce parts were. It was around the time that I last had my Savage. So that's why I've gone for this. So let's get them unboxed. So I did manage to also get a few other bits and pieces. See, so I've got two of these. Also picked up a skid plate for the original shell on this, but I'm going to probably need an armoured shell for that. Picked up a dual charger. I've used a lipo already. And we also have another lipo. So we've got two lipos there. I'm going to get more, but for now, it's definitely more than enough. I've gone for the green one. The reason why I went for the green is because the red's a bit underwhelming for me, and not only that, the Kraton's like black and red, so Kraton's black and red, so I just opted to go for this one. A remote and stuff in here. Get this little bugger out. Oh, we also have a load of spares. So my plan was to run this on 4S. I don't know, people are going to be thinking, why? Just use it as it's meant to be run. Not people are going to be thinking, oh, why are you going to run this thing 4S? But I say, why not? Why not? So good nosy in there. And not only that, I don't want a whole bunch of 3S batteries as well as 4S batteries. May as well make a full set of it. There we go. Pretty firm suspension on this thing. So what I plan to do is change this out for a Max 10. We run 4S on this with the one connector. It basically looks like an XT90 connector. Oh, a new smell. Right, so that's that. So this little bugger will be on 4S. So in other words, the plan is, if I ended up crashing that or it broke, I've got this little bugger I can take out with 6 packs in theory if I had 3 lots. So that is the plan. Anyway, so that's the car done. Let's see what servo we get in this thing. See what radio gear we get in this thing. Spectrum. Very nice. Standard full batteries. Servo reset now. Receiver reset, sorry. Nice. And here's my skid plate that I did order. But we'll deal with installing that at some stage. But right now, I just wanted to show you guys what I had. Cool. These are an absolute beast. Now this thing. If I can get the lid off. Man, I can smell the rubber from them tyres. I can absolutely smell those tyres. Whew. A big box of whatever's in there. Wow. This thing is wedged. That is just a behemoth. Like literally, I don't know how else to compare this. My hands. This car's big. And this has also got sliders, but bolt first, which is kind of annoying. These tyres, man, look at just ginormous. Let's have a look and see what's in this box, because I'm a bit curious as to what they're going to give you with this thing. Bearing in mind this thing's a rolling chassis. Okay, stickers, tools, big wheel nut. Receiver holders by the look of it. Other sorts of brackets and all sorts of things. What is that in there? Spur gear? Yeah, until I get this car out, I'm not going to know what half this stuff is. Man, that's just mad. Servo horns by the look of it. Alright, so anyways, as I said guys, if you've got any recommendations as to what needs to go in this, then let me know. I was thinking something along the lines of the Max 5 with the motor that goes with that. But again, recommendations, guys. Let me know.